I earned my university degree. It was a Bachelor of Arts in Theatre and Performance. After that, I went back to university to earn my science prerequisites so that I could apply more broadly to medical school. But obviously, because of my somewhat unique background, it was a bit of a hard sell. I learned that we actually had a number of family friends who had gone to Saba. My father's also a physician, and he says that they're some of the hardest working students he's ever had, really. One of the things that you get at the school is you start off with a basic overview of all of the different things. Your anatomy, where you're working with the cadavers, and you get your first real experiences of this is the body and this is what it all involves. Then you can go more and more in depth with every semester. So now that I've reached my 4th semester, we're learning really about the pathology of different diseases in lab, in group discussions, when we do clinical correlates, in lecture, of course. There's lots of different opportunities to get a different view of the same material. We have a lot of really great faculty. For example, all of our anatomy professors, every single one was actually a surgeon at some point. So you get a real sense of not just the information that you need to know, but the application of somebody who's done this their whole life. I feel like I've only been getting better and better with every semester that I've been here, and that I'm really on a roll at this point. I'm hoping to finish off here strong, really get the best step score possible, because that really opens up all the doors for me. I've always felt a little bit outside of the group here, coming from a theatre program, so I really felt accepted when I was elected as the student government president. Things are always going here. On the day that you finish your last exam, you really feel like you have an opportunity to take a breath, refresh yourself, and get ready for the next round of material. I do like to run a lot here. It's a way for me to blow off some steam so that I can really get back to work. I think that this is what I needed to really be successful in medical school, a place where every morning I wake up and I live and breathe medical school. If this is really something that you want to do, that you're committed to, and you're ready to commit the time and the effort that it really deserves, then I would absolutely recommend Saba as a place to come. They really equip you with all of the tools that you need to be successful if you're willing to do the work.